Swimming with manta rays is almost a therapeutic experience, I would say. Being in the water with these animals makes you forget about anything else. The interaction with these animals just clears up your mind and opens up your heart and your soul. And you just want to be down there as long as you can. And sometimes you have the feeling that mantas feel the same way about us, so they want us to remain with them for as much as possible. Manta rays are undoubtedly among the most charismatic creatures of our ocean. They are on top of the list of animals that any ocean lover wants to see and swim with.
But like many species in the wild on our planet, they face a number of serious threats. They are increasingly fished and their populations are at risk. So this project aims to establish the factors that are responsible for the annual fluctuations in breeding, why animals breed in certain areas and not others, to help inform the conservation of this species, both in the Maldives and in other areas of the world. In particular, we're using a newly developed underwater ultrasound machine. So this machine is able to scan and visualize the internal structures of manta rays without any contact with the animal. It uses salt water as the contact medium. It's a light and portable machine which will allow scuba divers to approach the animal and obtain images of particularly the reproductive tract without causing any disturbance or stress to the animals themselves.
Ultrasound examination of wild manta rays have only been attempted a very few times, and that was done with big, bulky ultrasound machines, very difficult to maneuver underwater. The ultrasound examination were made by making contact with the animal, and the innovative aspect of this project is that it uses a completely new ultrasound machine, which is very small, light and portable, and is mounted on a 3D printed rig with handles, which makes it very easy to maneuver underwater. To actually scan a manta ray, we dive close to a cleaning station down to about 20-30 meters in sometimes difficult conditions, ocean current, low visibility. We approach the animal from above so that the animal doesn't feel the presence of the diver, extending our arm in order to get the probe as close as possible. While above the animal, we're adjusting our movement to minimize the impact and the stress to the manta. We then position the ultrasound scan about 4 or 5 centimeters from the animal, targeting the left side of the dorsal fin, which is where the reproductive structures such as the ovaries and the uterus are visible. The sonograms or the images are recorded on a mobile phone and then analyzed in the lab. Our research project is taking place in the Republic of Maldives. The Maldives has the largest population of reef manta rays in the world. Sightings of these animals are very reliable, consistent, and thus allow us to obtain ultrasound examination of the same individual multiple times throughout the entire gestational period.
So we're able to determine the stages of maturity, when animals are becoming reproductively active, the stages of pregnancy, the development of the fetus, and importantly, whether animals maintain that pregnancy and actually give birth to a live animal. Understanding some of the fundamental details about their reproductive strategies enables the populations to survive and hopefully flourish. And our hope is that this research project will contribute to that knowledge in order to preserve the species for future generations.